There's something magical about sipping wine while watching the sun dip below the Aegean horizon. Greek wine isn't just a beverage, it's a centuries-old story captured in a glass, woven with culture, sun, sea, and soil. But you don't have to visit Santorini to taste this magic. With a little knowledge, you can savor Greece's finest drops from anywhere in the world. Greek wines are among the oldest in existence, with winemaking traditions dating back over 6,500 years. Despite this deep heritage, they remain some of the most underappreciated treasures in the global wine scene. What makes them unique? Indigenous grape varieties, diverse microclimates, and a deep-rooted respect for the land. Start with the whites. Assyrtiko, the shining star of Santorini, offers crisp acidity and mineral complexity. It pairs beautifully with grilled seafood, lemon-drenched octopus, or a fresh Greek salad. Another delightful white, Moscow-Filero, is floral and aromatic, ideal with lighter fare like sushi or feta-stuffed vegetables. On the red side, Zino Mavro is Greece's bold answer to Nebbiolo, structured, tannic, and perfect for aging. Try it with lamb souvlaki or a hearty moussaka. Assyrtiko, from the Peloponnese, is softer, fruit-forward, and versatile, making it a great companion to roasted meats or even pizza. Don't overlook Greece's lesser-known gems. Malagousia, a revived aromatic white grape, bursts with tropical notes and elevates spicy dishes or tangy cheeses. Limniona, an emerging red, charms with elegance and finesse, think mushroom risotto or duck breast. Pairing Greek wines is all about embracing freshness, vibrancy, and balance. Mediterranean cuisine, with its olive oil, herbs, seafood, and grilled meats, offers the perfect backdrop. The rule of thumb? Match the wine's character to the dish's dominant flavors. High-acid wines cut through rich sauces. Lighter wines complement delicate herbs. Full-bodied reds shine with grilled or braised meats. But beyond pairings, Greek wine is about experience. It's the clink of glasses between friends, the taste of the sun in your drink, the blend of tradition and innovation. Whether you're new to wine or a seasoned connoisseur, exploring Greek varietals is an invitation to expand your palate and journey into the heart of one of the world's most captivating wine cultures. Which Greek wine are you most excited to try, and what dish would you pair it with?